Hey everyone, so today, since I had washed my hair yesterday, I decided to just curl it today because I kind of let it air dry and it kind of went like this half wave thing because I have curly hair. I would do a quick tutorial on how I curl my hair, just in case anyone is interested in learning how to do like a beachy wave. Yeah, I got like a beachy wave back here. That is just what my hair did. Now, if only my whole head would do that, I would be like golden, but it doesn't. So anyways, so today we're going to learn how to do a beach wave, or just the wave you see a lot of girls with longer hair wear. All you're gonna need is your curling iron. The only way to do it actually this way is with one that opens and closes and clamps. Now, the better the curling iron you have, the better the hair is going to glide through it. But you can probably do it with a regular one too. I'm using a Baby Bliss. It's quite a large barrel, but that's because I have a lot of thick hair and I kind of want a bigger wave. I don't want the tight curls, but you can use a smaller one too. If you have shorter hair, this would probably not work as well. You wouldn't get as many waves, so you'd want to use a smaller one. But you can use a big one too. It's totally up to you. And the only other thing I need for this is a tail comb, very beat up tail comb. So basically what I did is I took the top part of my hair and put it up. The reason I did that is because I have a lot of hair, and if I don't, then I can't get the same effect. But if you have finer hair, I'm sure that just doing it all the way down, it will work just fine. So basically what we did, and I already started a couple here, is I take a section, I don't know, about an inch, inch and a half, depending on the size of the waves you want. If you want bigger waves, take bigger sections. It does hold better the smaller the sections you take. So then I just put this in like that, clamp it. Now make sure the clamp is on this side, okay? Always facing this way. And then I just start turning it and not catch my other hair in it. And then you just wait a couple seconds. And then just pull down. Now sometimes this doesn't work and I have to re-put it in, but it should just slide and go that way. The shorter your hair, it may not slide as well too, I found. As my hair's grown out, it's been a little bit easier. And then you wait a couple seconds, pull it down and around again. And you just keep doing that until you get all the way to the end. Like that. Now, don't touch it. Well, you can move it, but don't brush it. Don't do anything to it because you want to let this completely cool. And I'll show you why at the end of the video. So we're just going to start on this side now, and I'm taking about an inch and a half. Again, I'm going to start it with the clamp at this side. Get up close so you guys can see. Wait a couple seconds. And then pull down. And see how I'm turning it back around that way again. Down. Back around. Down, back around. And there we have a curl. So I'm just going to finish all this and then I'll be back to show you what we do when we're all done curling it. Okay, so I finished my upper layer, sides, back. Now, I use one of these combs. They work great because the wider combs doesn't separate the curl as much and gives it that wave. If you use this, it would just go frizzy. If you don't have one of these, a pick works in a pinch, but I prefer this. My hair is completely cooled down. Now, I was going to address because some people, I didn't use any products in my hair, no. I have very thick hair, so I don't have to use products. It usually just stays really good. But for those of you that have hair that doesn't hold curl as well, this is the best piece of advice I can give you. don't use hairspray. After you've showered and you know you're going to curl your hair, apply a gel. I prefer AG, but you can use any kind of gel you want. There's Bedhead is really good gel too. You want something with a pretty firm hold, but nothing that's going to make your hair crunchy. And you just put it throughout your hair, let your hair air dry or blow dry it, whatever you prefer. But I will tell you that air drying is better for your hair. And then once it's completely dry, then you curl your hair. Brush through it, then curl it. That will hold your hair better than anything else. Like I know some girls will spray this with hairspray. Don't do that. You're just going to burn your hair and you're going to wreck your hair and you're burning chemicals into your hair, which is a no-no. Anyway, so back to this. This is the comb I'm going to use. My hair is completely cooled down because you want to wait until it's completely set. And by set, I mean your hair has to cool right down so that the curl is going to hold even better when you comb through it. And then I just take the comb and voila, I have waves. Now, I wanted bigger waves, so hence the bigger iron I used. And then you just go through it and give it a comb. After a while, it may start to stick together again. And again, you can just use your comb and go through it. Now, I don't use this very often, but it is pretty amazing stuff. Let's see if I can find it here for you guys. Maybe not. My daughter likes to play in my drawers, so maybe she moved it. It's a texturizing spray. Okay, I don't know where it is. You can use a texturizing spray if you have some. I don't know what my daughter did with mine. And just spray it through and then run your fingers through it. But like you can see here, this is how girls are getting that wavy hair. The key to me is letting it cool and then combing through it. Leaving the curls curled, that's kind of like 90s-ish. And this is more like 2000, I guess, and up. I guess we're 2021 now. So yeah, that's how I do it. It's really easy. It took me like 10 minutes to do, and it'll last me a couple days, so I can do some different different hairstyles with it, you know. But look at that. Let's just give that wave a hello. Yeah. So that's it. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you have any questions, just hit me up in the comments. Don't forget to press like and subscribe. That's how I get more viewers, and that's how I can keep making more content for you guys. So with that being said and done, happy Mother's Day to all you mamas out there, and I hope you have a great weekend. Bye.